Today we discuss about Naive-based classifier in machine learning. So it's one of the method come based classification method. So here we mention naive-based. What is the naive? Naive means it's not an exact synonymous we give. So it's like without experience like that will come. So it's come under belong to the classification algorithm. So this is the formula Bayes theorem. So P of C bar A equal to P of A bar C multiplication of P of C divided by P of A. So let's go to the example. So obviously today is the corona is spread all over the world. So we take the real-time example. So see this question: approximately 5% of man who aged between 40 to 50 have suffered coronavirus. In this particular, that 5% of man, we take the test coronavirus as 90% chance of the positive test. So remaining 10% of false positive test. So here question is, what is the probability the man has coronavirus that give the positive test? So we directly go to the solution. Here solution we take two variables identified, like A, capital A equal to positive test, capital C is to suffer coronavirus. Why I take this means, let's see this question once again. What is the probability man has coronavirus? So man has coronavirus and then given positive test. So we take, for example, see in this right side Bayes theorem P of C bar A. So C is coronavirus, A is positive test. So we need find P of A bar C. That means positive test of that coronavirus multiplication of, we take the coronavirus who suffered by that particular 5% of man divided by take the whole positive test. So see in this theorem I written this kind. Also we can write this. So that means P of corona divided by corona of positive test equal to positive test of corona multiplication of P of corona suffered all divided by P of positive test. See in this here, see in watch carefully corona's virus. See in this corona chance to not corona 99%, so remaining 1% corona. Why I write this kind is, see the question, 9% chance of the positive test, 10% chance of the false positive test. So false positive test automatically comes. So in this within 1%, 90% chance to positive, 10% negative. So remaining 99% is no corona. So then no corona is majority is 90% negative, 10% is positive. So now go to apply the formula. See what is the formula once again? P of positive of corona. So positive of corona here we take only corona suffered. So here positive 90. I write 90. Next, what is the next? Corona. Corona how many percentage? 1%. So 1%. So divided by positive. P of positive. Take the whole positive. What is the positive? Here within 1%, 90% is positive. So 190 plus within 99%, 10% positive. So 90%. So we derived, after we can derive, we can get 9 divided by 108. That means approximately 83%. That means 8.3% who suffered this coronavirus. We can just positively probability have positive test 8.3% probability. So that's what the Bayes classification is, the probabilistic method. We can get probabilistic method, we can get the solution. So thank